If your Mitsubishi displays the FCM Radar Blocked warning, it means the Forward Collision Mitigation (FCM) system cannot detect objects properly. This safety system uses a radar sensor, usually located behind the front grille, to monitor traffic ahead and apply emergency braking if a collision risk is detected. When the radar is blocked or malfunctioning, the system disables itself to avoid incorrect braking alerts. Try these. 1. Clean the radar sensor area. Check the front grille or bumper where the radar sensor is located and remove dirt, snow, ice, or debris using a soft cloth. 2. Inspect for environmental interference. Heavy rain, fog, mud, or thick snow can temporarily block the radar signal. Driving for a few minutes in clearer conditions may restore normal operation. 3. Restart the vehicle. Turn the engine off, wait about 2 to 3 minutes, then restart the car to reset the system. 4. Check the battery and electrical system. Low battery voltage or loose connections can trigger radar system warnings. 5. Drive to allow recalibration. Drive at normal speeds for several minutes so the system can recalibrate and clear the warning.